It's completely stable. Perfect. And we go down again. We do 3 to 4 more. Yes. Hold it shortly up. Then you go down. And you go up. You hold it shortly. And you go down. Hi guys. Welcome to today's training. We show you today hip thrust laying one leg. Extremely hard exercise for your glute. You get a stimuli. You grow it fast. Today's model is Elena, and please go down to the mat that we can start immediately. It's a very nice exercise to just stimulate your glute in a really nice way while you stabilize your whole core area. From the laying hip thrust on from the normal hip thrust, we made already some videos which you can see. This is an added on video for real pros because this is hard to do. So what you do as somebody who is already very good in feeling the body and how you can move the body, then try that. You just lift up one leg here, but now let's make it in the first step a little bit easier. You just have both legs standing on the floor, and then you go with your feet in this position. Then you just push your hip up. Exactly. You go slowly down. You do this just a few times to get into the movement, to just start easy. Exactly. And when you did it, you're 5 to 10 times, then you are ready. You have the movement in. You go down. Now, what do you do? And this is the exercise to show for today. You go up with one leg. This leg is fixed now in the row with the other leg in one line. Imagine there's a screw going here through, here through. So her target is now to do the same exercise what we just did, but this leg stays always exactly on that height. Try it. It's extreme. So breathe in, and with breathing out, you go up. You pull your glute together, yes. And how always, first round, you can watch, you can be with us here, you can mirror what we do here in your mind. And in the second round, I want to mirror you that exercise on a mat, at home, or wherever you are, that you just can learn it actually, how it works while you do it. Then we take the other leg up, and again, you push up your glute, and if you want to feel that your glute is really pushing, then you take your hand and you lay it on the glute while you push up. Exactly. It's extreme exercise. You need to have the tense in your abs all the time. Here you try to be exactly on one line. Your glute and your stomach, or what I say, abs, have really to work here. So, quite nice exercise. I want to invite you, jump here inside. How I say, please watch the other videos for hip thrust before. But if you're already a pro, just jump now inside and we do that together. Before we start, please just lay in that position and breathe in and out. Deeply breathe in and out. Now start to remember how the movement was. Remember what we right now did, and see it already in front of your inner eyes, how you will do the movement soon. While you breathe in and out and you see these pictures in front of you, how you will do it, and imagine yourself already in this exercise. In that moment, you bring also tense into your abs, more and more, and while you bring more and more tense into your abs, you breathe deeply in, and with breathing out, you start to push up your hip. 1, perfect. Hold it shortly up and go down. Breathe and up, yes. Hold always tense in your abs and go down again. We do that now 3 times more. Up, holding, slowly going down, up, holding, slowly going down. You press always in a 45-degree angle back, and how I say, here, touch your glute, just to be sure that the glute is really activating in the way like it shall do. Then we go completely down again. We take one leg up. Imagine here's a screw through your knees. It is completely stabilized. here inside. You cannot move anymore from that part. This leg stays always on the same height. Now breathe deeply in, and that's breathing out. Press your glute up to the maximum point. Yes, that's right. And feel how it feels. Slowly go down and press up again. Feel how it feels. Yes. Slowly go down. Press up. Boom. Yes. And we do 2 more. Go slowly down. Up. And yes. Stabilize always your leg. Have your tense in the abs. Perfect. And we go down. What I want you to do now, we just take the other leg. We do the same. Mirror her. See how she's doing it. See how she's holding her hand, her leg here. Compare yourself. Maybe you have a mirror or standing there, a tablet or something. What can mirror you? Also that you see what you do. So, and now press yourself up here. Exactly. You go in that position. You feel it. When you feel it in your glute and everything is stable, then you do it right. Your hip needs to be in one line. There's no change, right or left down. It's completely stable. Perfect. And we go down again. We do 3 to 4 more. Yes. Hold it shortly up. Then you go down. And you go up. You hold it shortly. And you go down. And we do 2 more. Come on. Come up. Yes. Holding shortly. You go down. And come up. Holding shortly. And you go down. So I hope you can see that you can do the hip thrust in a way where you don't need a lot of weight in the gym. You can just do it like that while you train your core in the perfect way. So that means for you, you can do it while you travel, while you're at home or anywhere else. Just train that and you will feel a difference in your daily life. We are here to boost your fitness and your lifestyle level. So please browse our channel, click the bell to be always informed and follow us. That would be really cool. Share us to get the fitness knowledge into the world. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Your personal trainer, Chris. See you soon. Bye.